Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a product on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it into your account. Then, from the left-hand menu, click on Products. Now, click on the Add Product button at the top right. Here, start by entering your product title. This is the name of your item that customers will see. Next, tap on the product description. This is where you explain what the product is, what it does, or any features you want to highlight. Then, scroll down and add your product media. You can upload photos or videos that shows your product clearly. Now, select the product category from the list. This helps Shopify organize your products better and improve search results. After that, enter your price. You can also fill in optional fields like compare at price, cost per item, and it will show your profit and margin based on those. Then, click the box that says traffic quantity if you want Shopify to manage your inventory. If you want to keep selling even when the item is out of stock, check the box for continue selling when out of stock. If your product has a SKU or barcode, check the options too. You can enter those for inventory tracking and shop location. Now, enter how many items you currently have in stock under quantity. Scroll down and check the box that says this is a physical product if it needs to be shipped. Next, enter the product weight. This is needed for calculating shipping cost. Then, click on Add Custom Information and choose the country or region where the product will be shipped from. Now, search for the harmonized system code by entering a product keyword or number. This is used for international shipping and customs. If your product comes in different versions, like sizes or colors, you can add them under Options. You can also check or edit category meta fields to add extra information about your product. Finally, review all other settings, make any last changes, and you're done. Click C from the top right corner to add the product to your store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.